Welcome to the exciting digital age where the once possible is now achievable. Sparks of ingenuity fly, gears of progress turn, and the innovation is the name of the game. Throughout history, the manufacturing industry has continuously pushed the boundaries of innovation, from Ford's revolutionary assembly line to Musk's out-of-the-world rocket production. Today, the industry is undergoing a transformation at an unprecedented pace, with digitization taking center stage in revolutionizing processes, reducing waste, and elevating the quality of products as well. The industry is in a constant state of evolution, with technology like artificial intelligence and blockchains constantly advancing alongside it, promising an exciting future ahead. Hey there, I'm Arvind Sareen, founder and CEO of Copper Digital. For more than a decade, I've been at the forefront of helping businesses leverage technology to unlock new opportunities and drive growth. One thing that really excites me about this work is the potential for Industry 4 to transform the way we think about manufacturing. We are living in a time of unprecedented change, where the lines between physical and digital are blurring, and where the power of data and automation is reshaping everything from supply chain management to the product design. At Copper Digital, we believe that manufacturing is more than just an industry. It is a way of shaping the world around us. That's why we are passionate about helping our clients leverage the latest digital technologies to realize their vision and drive positive change. The digital revolution has brought forth a plethora of technologies that have made it possible to automate and optimize every aspect of manufacturing process. One of the most exciting aspects of Industry 4 is the ability to harness the power of data to drive insights and inform decision making. With the help of data analytics tools, manufacturers can now gain a deeper understanding of their overall operations. It helps you make data-driven decisions that enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and boost profitability. But perhaps the most transformative aspect of Industry 4 is its ability to enable the creation of truly customized products at scale. By leveraging technologies like AI, ML, IoT, and advanced robotics, manufacturers can now produce highly complex and customized products in a fraction of a time that otherwise it would have taken using traditional manufacturing methods. Overall, the digitization of manufacturing is not just about improving efficiency or reducing costs. It's about creating new possibilities, unlocking new revenue streams, and transforming the way we think about manufacturing. So, if you're a manufacturer looking to stay ahead of the curve, now is the time to act. Embrace digitization, adopt a digital-first mindset, and leverage the power of cloud to unlock new opportunities and achieve your business goals. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's time to seize it.